Welcome back, guys, to low-tech's under $50 gaming headset roundup. In this video, we're looking at the next contender, which is the Turtle Beach Recon 70s. Let's get started. Alright, so let's take a quick look at these Turtle Beaches. These are the Recon 70s. They go for around 40 bucks, and they only use a standard multi-jack 3.5mm for like laptops, phones like that. So it works with Xbox, PS4, the Switch. It just doesn't come with the PC adapter. These do come with 40mm drivers and a flip to mute mic, which is nice. I wish it was removable, but I do like that you can at least flip it up. Alright, so this is all you get in the box. You get the headset and a sticker, along with some documentation, but that's the most important feature for sure. They're super light. So these also have a volume rocker, or a volume wheel on the left ear cup, and the mic just folds up. They feel very cheap, they're very light. I do kind of like the white and blue. I enjoy that color scheme a lot. The ear cups are very soft, pretty oversized. The branding is actually pretty minimal, but they definitely look like gaming headsets. You get a Turtle Beach up here, and then you get their logo on each ear cup. I actually kind of like this design. They're not very complicated. They have some nice color going for them, and just like the Corsairs, they come in a multitude of colors. So I got the white and blue, but there's like 6 other different colors you can choose from. Let's listen to them. Ooh. Ooh. That's pretty comfortable. Okay, so first impressions of the sound is not bad at all. A lot more focus on the highs and the detail separation. The bass of these are probably some of the lower ones compared to all of them, but I don't know if that really matters if you really want some good positional accuracy or just the finite details. These have a lot more details than some of the other ones up in the high end. And yeah, they sound pretty good. Not mind-blowing, that's for sure. But for 40 bucks, they're good. Okay, so let's listen to the mic now. And one thing with the mic is this is as close as it can get to your face. So sometimes, you know, those friends that have the mic real close and it sounds like they're just breathing in your ears. I don't think that'll happen with these because the mic is so far away. I'm curious to see how it sounds, and should just be a mute, so when I flip it up, it should cut off. Yeah, and whoa. Interesting. So I don't know if you can see that. It's still recording with it up and with it down. Sound quality is pretty good. These aren't gonna blow anyone away with their sound quality, but with so much detail in the highs, I think these are gonna be a very good contender for positional accuracy and just details in the tracks themselves. Like some of the tracks I used to test the audio, you could pick out the different instruments in the high end and mid to high a lot more than some of the other choices. I guess in games it's gonna be like footsteps, bullets, whizzing by, things like that. But it has a lot more separation than some of the other ones we've tested. And like in some of the songs I use, you can actually hear all the little frequency changes and flutes and all that a lot more on these than some of the other ones. So I think that's going to be a strong point for these. If you're a bass head, these are definitely not it. They have no bass whatsoever. These to me sound a lot more natural because a lot of the other ones that are gaming, just like these, have a lot more bass, so they drown out the highs. But I think these are going to be good for vocals and dialogue, things like that. Like if you bought these, I don't think you'd be very disappointed at all, no matter what you do with them. And they are very comfortable. That is something I noticed right off the bat. Not a lot of pressure, and the cups are nice and soft, so they went around my whole ear and sealed well. Alright guys, thanks for watching my unboxing and first look at the Turtle Beach Recon 70s. Stay tuned for the comparison video where I put these along 6 other headsets to compare and see which one's the most bang for your buck. See you guys in the next one.